Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please subscribe. That's the only way that you are going to get notified when we post new content. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Please like this video. You do not lose anything, but you help to keep me motivated to make more videos, share more content, all for free. By the way, if you're looking to download Forex systems, Forex robots, Forex strategies, indicators, books and stuff like that, all for free, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Sometimes people come and request things that are already on the blogs. Don't be that person. Go through the blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Then if you still cannot find what you're looking for, you can always come back and leave a request in the comment section below, and I promise to certainly make an effort to find the thing for you. After downloading the Forex systems, robots, indicators, certainly you want to test them in real market conditions before giving them all your hard-earned cash. The links are in the description box below. For the broker that I use, you can actually deposit $5, $10 into your account just to test the robot, just to test the indicator or the system to see if it makes money before you actually go all in. So visit the broker that I use and open an account. You don't lose anything. It's just a $5 account, a $10 account. If you are struggling with anything concerning your forex trading, if you have questions, if you have challenges, if you have topics that you want me to make videos on, leave them in the comment section below and I'll certainly make a video on your question. I've been there, and I wish when I started I would have come across a channel like this where they were just sharing information for free. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, share the video with your friends. Let's get into today's topic. So in this video we are going to be looking at what a few pairs might be doing this coming week. Please do not take this as forex signals. This is not forex signals, but it's just my ideas of what might happen this coming few weeks, few days, few weeks, whatever you choose. And you can obviously develop your own thoughts, your own approaches from that. But let's get it out of the way. This is not a forex signal, so do not jump into the markets after watching this video. You need to be careful, protect your money. So like I always do, and I've always told people this, the easiest thing to trade some of these pairs is just go to your dollar index, USDX. According to my broker, it's USDX. So you can see with my broker, USDX June 21, you can see if we go to the weekly time frame for the US dollar index, we are actually at a critical level. There we are at a critical level. This does not take a rocket scientist to figure out if you're looking at my chart. So we are actually at a very, very critical level. We've touched this level here and we went up. We actually touched it and bounced and went up and dropped again, touched it and went all the way up. Then now we have come back. So what is going to happen here? I am going to patiently wait to see if we are going to go back up. If we are going to do this, what does it mean? It means all my USD pairs, I need to be biased with buys. That's how I do this. The market is closed right now. It's a weekend, so yes, that's my small arrow there. Let's do this. So if my USD happens to go up, then I'm looking to buy my USD pairs. Of course, I'm not going to just go in blindly. I'll need to actually zero in on critical levels, but my general bias will be going up. If USD breaks through, US dollar index actually breaks down, it also means what? If it breaks down, it means I'm looking to further sell my dollar pairs, which means I am going to be buying NZD USD, GBP USD, Euro USD, AD USD, and gold and silver. That is if the US dollar index continues to go down. Right now, let me tidy up on my arrow there. It's now looking like something else. Okay. Right. So right now we actually have a pin bar thing there. Let me zoom in some more. We have a pin bar that is formed at this level. That's on the daily now, on the daily now. So we might actually push down a bit. Maybe not all the way down, but maybe to this level, or let's say to this level. We might want to touch this level if we continue with this. This is what happened on Friday when the markets closed. So we might actually push down to this level. And what does it mean for me? Concerning my gold, I am actually looking to see gold coming to the 1950 level. 1950 level. We have been there before. It's not an impossible dream. We've been there before. So if this continues on the USDX, on the US dollar index, if we continue going down on gold, I am looking at us coming to 1950 level. But if we are going to be going back up, if it happens that they decide to take us back up, then certainly my bias on gold will change. We might come back to this level. That would be around 1850. That would be around 1850. You can see how it is simple to actually develop a picture using the US dollar index. If we go to USD CAD, or was it USD JPY that I was looking at, you can see it actually matches what is happening on the USDX. What is happening on USDX is actually also happening here. We are at a critical point and with a pin bar that's forming there, which might mean that on USD JPY we need to look towards these levels, this level or this level, whichever comes first. And I've previously explained my strategy, so I'm not going to go into detail about it. Watch the videos on the channel. Or if we happen to break through, then certainly we are going to have to go towards that direction. It's a simple way to approach the market. So we said gold, my bias is on buying until 1950, and this is depending on the hope that USDX What is formed there is an indication that we might still go down. The US dollar might continue losing strength. We might continue going down. So that's why my bias on gold is on going to touch 1950. 1950 is the immediate one because we've touched it before, we've danced around it before. Or if we don't go there, we might start with 1925 for gold. And I said in the event that we do not drop, we actually reverse and go up, then that will change my direction to act going back down. And it's not an impossible dream to go back down, because if you notice, we are actually in this channel that has been on gold. So it's not also an impossible dream. What you need to do is not to try and predict the direction of the market. What you want to do is to react. So either way, we are at a critical level. See, we have been here before in 2011. Where's my shapes thing? Rectangle there. We have touched this level previously. We have been at this level previously, and that was around September 2011. So we've waited 10 years, not 10 years exactly, but we touched this level again last year. Last year we touched this level and we went up by about 2,000 pips before we actually had this massive drop. Now we have come back to the same level. Are we going to go back down straight away, or are we going to test the levels like this? I am thinking we might see something like this or something like this. So that's why I am biased towards going up. And I said my USDX is showing that we might continue to go down. And certainly that is a bearing on my USD pairs. I said if you go to your USD JPY, it's exactly mirroring what's happening on USDX. We have pin bars on both pairs, so it's a matter of reacting. Reacting to what's happening. On USD CAD, we actually also are at a critical point, same as USDX. So I'm waiting to see if we are going to do that or we are going to do that. If we break through and we hold below the 20,000 level, I know we are going to continue going down. If we continue dancing around here and refusing to go down, then certainly we are being set up to go back up to this level. So that will definitely change my bias. USD CHF, same story. I think by now you get the point. By now you should have gotten the point, including Euro USD, which is now below this level. But I actually think we might go up with gold. We might go up. If we are going to go down, I am hoping that we will touch this level again before we actually go down. That's my take on what might happen this coming week or this coming few days. Again, this is not Forex signals. You just have to wait and see what is probably going to take place. Gold might continue going up. At least that's where I have my money on. But I want to see it break through confidently here. Otherwise, we might actually go back down. Like this video, leave a comment in the comment section below. Until next time, bye.